Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of GlamNGo by Beta. I'm your host Beta, author of Boss Glam, the upcoming soon-to-be published book about corporate glam and empowerment. And in today's video, I'm going to cover cleansers. Now this is from GlamGlow and it's the Super Cleanse Daily Clearing Cleanser Mud to Foam. And I'm going to show you how to use this using also a Clinique face tool, cleansing tool. So these two combined. So to start off with, you want to take a pump. So don't put it here, put it here. So I'm just gonna take a pump, really push it down so it comes out. And remember, dry hands, dry face. And then I'm going to swirl it in and I'm going to put this like a mask. So just spreading it from the center of the face and just massaging this in. Now as you can see, these all gone, but it's on my face. And spread it, massage it in. Okay, so now you want to turn on the faucet and wet your hand a little bit. So now you can see it's foaming. Turn this off, and then you just start to massage in and emulsify that. Yeah. So really just do this to pick up the product, to lift that mud. So that way, and don't go directly under your eyes, just keep the eye area free, okay? And now, I'm going to take the cleanser, put it under the cap, and then kind of rub the soapy hand into the brush. Turn it on, and I'm going this way. So I'm about to do 10 seconds on this side. So this cleanser really has a massaging tool that vibrates. It's kind of like the Foreo. So I'm not going and scrubbing my face as this. I'm just keeping it really light and moving it, gliding it on the face. And what it does is it's massaging and cleansing my face. So this thing has a timer for 30 seconds. And the reason why it's 30 seconds is it doesn't want you to over cleanse, to overuse it. So it's spreading the 10 seconds here, here, and your forehead. So really just glide the brush, let it, press it just a little bit on the skin so you can feel that vibration massaging the surface. So it's got two sides to it. So I'll show it to you later, but I'm going in now in the front side. So I'm turning the brush this way, and this is the side where I want to, because I get oily in the T-zone, so this helps with cleansing a little abrasively the T-zone area of any oils. And again, I'm doing about 10 seconds here, 10 seconds here, and 10 seconds around the mouth. And if you don't want to stay in one place too long, you can move the brush around your face so that you don't use too much on one side. I want to show you the brush after I cleanse my face. I want to show you guys this big ass sponge that I found in a Korean store, a Japanese store. And I love to use this because it's kind of like a quick way to wash your face with it, especially if you have products. And you can see with one wipe, it really takes off. So first, I do it with the sponge, and then I'm going to go in with my hand because I want to feel the squeakiness. When you're using a towel on your face, never rub your face. Always pat dry. Ooh, and I have like a tingling sensation. The ingredients in this are amazing. I'm going to read the label and then tell you what's in it. Oh, wow, my face feels so clean. So then I'm gonna go into my skincare. I'm gonna show you the brush. So this is the brush. As you can see, it's white, and then you have the green. The green is a little bit more rough, it's abrasive, and this one is softer. So for the T-zone area where you get a lot of oil, maybe for me, like I get a lot of oily T-zone areas, this side is a little rough, so it gives you like a scrub effect. And then this one, I use it both together all over. So it's scrubbing and it's cleansing at the same time. So this is really cool. It's from Clinique. And yeah, so that's an alternative for a cleanser. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the page. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.